Top 5 Best Smart Thermostat for Heat Pump. In this video we only show available and top 5 best Smart Thermostat for Heat Pump. Number 1. Honeywell Home RTH8560D 7-day Programmable Touchscreen Thermostat. The advanced design of this thermostat provides maximum comfort by sensing whether your home needs heating or cooling with the smart response learning technology. Choice of battery or hardwire operation, wired power source to fit your home. Number 2. Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat for Smart Home DIY, works with Alexa, Energy Star certified, ST55. Easy DIY installation. Use the built-in level and step-by-step app instructions for a quick installation. Works with HVAC equipment found in most homes. Common wire, C-wire, is not required in most applications. Smart maintenance, Sensi can help monitor the performance and efficiency of your HVAC system by delivering valuable usage reports, alerts about your equipment, and maintenance reminders, like filter replacement. Number 3. ecobee 3 Lite Smart Thermostat, Black. Control from anywhere, using your Android or iOS device. Add smart sensor to manage hot or cold spots, and deliver enhanced comfort to the rooms that matter most. Automatically pauses your heating or cooling when a door or window is left open. Requires ecobee smart sensor for doors and windows, and a smart security subscription. Number 4. Emerson 1F83H21PR Heat Pump 2H/1C Programmable Thermostat. Big, clear display, easily read in low lighting, selectable programming, 7-day, 511, off. Easy installation, built-in level indicator, pluggable terminals, and streamlined configuration menu. Advanced features, keypad lock, temperature limits, backlight button. Dual fuel standard, no sensors needed. Number 5. Honeywell Home RCHT 8610WFT5 Smart Thermostat, T-Energy Star Wi-Fi, Programmable, Touchscreen, Alexa Ready, C-wire required. 7-day flexible, scheduling, or location-based, temperature control, geofencing. Adaptive recovery. Learns how long it takes to achieve the right temperature at the right time, and automatically runs your system to get to your desired temperature when you want it, with auto change from heat to cool. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest top best product.